It's that time of the year again. Yes guys, it's the Shadi season. We are sure that you have more than one wedding to attend. So if your outfit, footwear, jewelry and everything else is sorted and the only thing that you are confused about is your makeup, then don't worry, we've got you all covered. So in today's episode of Makeup Masterclass, we will show you how to get the perfect Shadi season look which isn't too loud and isn't too less. It is simple and glamorous and will fetch you a lot of compliments. So keep on watching to see how did I get this look. That was it for today's episode of Makeup Masterclass. Let me know in the comment section below how did you find this look. And while you do that, don't forget to check out some amazing merchandise at POPxo.com. We have tote bags, t-shirts, doormats and a lot more. Also, do check out our newly launched beauty collection. Just click on the link in the description below and go shop now. For more makeup and skincare tips and tricks, keep on watching POPxo Daily.